How to use contact cards for the LIV 100. The LIV 100 is equipped with a slot connector for quick and simple replacement of contact cards. For example, here is a full bar contactor, and here is a needle card for contacting single emitters. The card can be plugged in and easily replaced. The slot in the contact card along with the key in the connector prevents inserting the card in the wrong direction. 2 screws are required to make a stable connection so that the card does not lift up when the device is contacted. Now the integrating sphere can be moved into place to begin measurement.